Did you know that it's super easy to make high protein breads or buns at home? You do not need any fancy equipment or any expensive ingredients. So today I'm going to be sharing with you two such high protein buns recipes. One is the chickpea high protein bun and one is the almond high protein buns. So let's go make the first recipe, that's the almond high protein buns. So I'm using almond flour, then we are going to add some Greek yogurt and some herbs. That's it. You only need these three ingredients or few ingredients to make the buns. It's super easy to make. All you have to do is now just make sure that you knead it really well. Now if you don't have Greek yogurt, you can use paneer or you can use a regular yogurt if you feel like. And for almond flour, if you don't have almond flour at home, just take your regular almonds and grind it, and there you go, your almond flour will be ready. You can use it with the skin and without the skin, both is fine. So now you see I've kneaded the dough really well. Now I'm going to divide it into equal parts and then put it on a baking tray. This bakes around like 10 to 15 minutes till it's just golden brown on top at 180 degrees. It's that easy to make these high protein buns. They are gluten free, they are diabetic friendly, and they are kids friendly too. So I've topped it up with some sesame seeds, but you can top it up with any toppings of your choice. You can even add different flavors to this bun recipe. And now you can see after baking it turns out to be super soft, so you can make a burger bun out of it or just have it directly also. That is fine. That's how easy it is to make these buns. So I hope you like this first recipe because the second one is going to be even more exciting. So the second recipe is the chickpea buns. Now this will take a little time, but it's very tasty and high in protein. So all you need is some chickpea or chole. You just add hot water to it. Either you can keep it overnight or just with the warm water make sure that the chickpeas are really soft before using it. Do not use it without that. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you get updated with all the new recipes. Now this chickpea bun we've added a little bit of husk, herbs, water, oil into it. So you can see again this is gluten free and super easy to make. You can add different flavors. Even if you add spinach to it, it is fine. It will just help to add more nice ingredients and nutrients to your buns. Now in a blender, blend this really well, and there you're going to get a nice smooth paste. So that's it. You have to divide the dough into equal parts and then put it for baking. That's how easy it is to make these buns. Also in the comment section, do let me know from which city, country or area you are watching this YouTube video, so I will also know that where you guys are from. I am from Pune and I love making these healthy recipes, so do let me know from where you guys are from. Now you can see I've divided the buns. I'm going to put it on the baking tray and then I am going to put it for baking. Now make sure that you remove these buns completely after they're baked well. If you just remove it in the middle, it's going to be super flat. The air will deflate it. So you can see my buns are super soft, easy to make. Once it's cooled down, slice it, and there you can make another burger bun recipe or have this directly with your vegetables or pair it up with a good cream cheese. That's up to you how you can make it. So I hope you like these recipes, and once you try it, do give me a feedback and let me know if you have any tips or anything or which recipe I should try next. So I hope to see you soon in the next video.